Hey guys, the exact model I use for myself to go to six figures and the exact model I teach my client how to do the same is this. I'm gonna go over it. If you have any question, you can put in the comments and let's get started. My name is Paras. I came to Canada about 5 years ago. I'm basically from India, and the reason I got started in this game was I was working 16-hour shift as a security guard, and the life was basically about just make money, go to sleep, make money, go to sleep. And I'm basically getting depressed because I didn't came to Canada for this. I want to do something big in life. And when I find this coaching space, when I find this high ticket affiliate marketing space, I was amazed. You can make a lot of money, and on the way, you transformed a lot of lives. And that's the game we play here. This model I would highly recommend if you have any just motive of making money. I would say not use this model because this models have make people millions, and truly use this model for helping people, impacting people, changing their life. So if you are ready for this, let's get started. I will start with benefits of it. You can see the whole model, but I will start with benefits. Like, what are the benefits if you implement this model in your business, if you implement it in your coaching business? What are the benefits for you? This is a tried and tested model. You're not guessing, doing any work now. Tried and tested. People, not me, people have done even 50,000 sold $50,000 offers with Google Docs now. And if you think you still need to do sales call, you can switch off this video and you don't have to be here. Then more time with family. Now see this, for example, it might be your reason might be different. You can say, you want to travel, you want to travel all around the world, you want to be a digital nomad, you can do that too. But if you're stuck on sales call all day, it's going to be really hard. You can spend more time with your children, you can spend more time with your family. You can focus on the thing that really matter instead of sitting on boring sales call all day. Then focusing on the thing that really matters. When I got started in this game, guys, something I realized, everyone was just focusing on making money. And what we really want? We want, results. Everyone focuses on the making money, but nobody focusing on my results. Like, I don't want that for my clients, right? And when you have happy clients, they refer people, they are making money, their name is getting bigger and bigger. What's gonna happen? People are gonna come to you anyways. And now you're doing ethical business. And this is something I really strive hard for. And this model has helped me do the same. How? Now I'm not stuck on 3 to 4 hour sales call or study sessions. I can focus on my really clients that really want to get the results. And it's gonna benefit the business big time, because any business you see on the planet, Apple, Nike, any business, if you're a new business owner, especially for you guys, client results gonna decide your breakthrough in the business. If your clients are not getting results, it's gonna be really hard. Let's go with that. So let's get started. A 20K a month model for high ticket affiliate coaches with a personal brand, without sales call, no conversion webinars, or lengthy study sessions. The core thing we need to start with is the premium offer asset. To build this thing, the 20K six-figure model, you just need a premium asset on the first place. If you don't have this, what you're gonna sell, you can't build anything on this. If you are clear on what you're selling, I'm gonna go over it, how it's gonna look like. And it's a Google Doc basically. It can be from anywhere from 5 to 10 pages, can be less than that too. Then create once and consistently get clients. It's an asset in your pocket. You don't have to do that again and again. It's basically like one YouTube video. You create it once and a lot of people can see it. Then you just save 3 to 4 hours a day because you build this thing. You put the time in this, and this gonna give you money as much you want, because we sell high ticket 4 to 5 figure deals. It can be more than that too. So if this is still, I made a lot of videos on this. If you still need clarity on how to make this, I have a full training in my free private community, and I will put link in the description below, Paras Insiders community, and you can learn a lot from that, how to build that asset, how to really create that asset for like 4 to 5 figures, and I will put a link in the description below. Next, what need to happen? Our job on a daily basis as a business owner, as a founder, is more and more people see this. More and more people have our offer in hand. They can make the decision yes or no. Even if you're doing everything right, if this is not happening, nobody gonna say yes, because what they gonna say yes to? Remember this, guys. And one more thing, your money in your pocket will be decided by how many offers you are making. If you're making 10 offers a day, your chance of making a client, making money, is gonna get more than you just make one offer. And that's a simple thing. Now, every day our job is to this. What's gonna lead to this? Talking to people. If you're not in sales call, we still need to diagnose if this person's really have the problem, if this person's the right fit, and make sure that when you talk to them, these things are clear. And on the just one thing I want to add here, that's gonna show you how to add guarantees, what's the strategy, like how long we're gonna work together, every single thing. What are they receiving? How many calls? How many one? Right now our offer is one-on-one mentorship with me. So we built this. We are using that. We're learning clients all day. And when you come to this, now what's need to happen? You need to be clear on two things. Two things. Are they right fit? And they want to do it right now. Because these two things gonna make the decision. Imagine they're not the right fit. You can't even send the offer. They wanna don't do it right now. Don't worry about sending the offer. But if you need to make sure that they are right fit, you can ask questions like, how long you have the problem for? What have you tried so far? And when they come to you, it can be a fitness offer, it can be a relationship offer, it can be a wealth offer, coaching, anything. And when you're clear on these things, just tell them, hey man, here's the offer, have a read and let me know if you're in or out. Simple as that. And it can be this simple, guys. But what's gonna lead to this? We need some hand raiser, we need some people engaging on our content. Let's get started on that. I will put this here. I think this would be a benefit. Amazing. Why I put it here is your profile, your main things, your YouTube, everything, and even these all things. This is basically your front end content, your back end content. Your front end is your YouTube channel, you have a TikTok, or you have a Facebook profile, things like that. You can do the business on Instagram, LinkedIn, it doesn't matter. But I would say Facebook funnel, we have a lot of vision on how to use a Facebook funnel, and it's really powerful. Facebook, YouTube funnel, super powerful. Then you have a front facing things. Here, what is all about? We are pre-selling them. Pre-selling them by showing your strategy. Now this is we are talking about the strategy. Pre-selling them on you, sharing your story, share what I've done so far, sharing each and every single detail, what they need to know, because before they made the investment. And if they're sold on you, okay, I like the guy Paras, okay, he looks good, okay, he looks like a decent guy, he can help me make money, okay, he will not run far with my money, things like that. Then the last part is the investment part. Now, if they're sold on these things, they like your strategy, it's pretty good, I can leave the sales call behind, I can do sales call, Paras is a good guy, he's a hardworking guy, all that stuff, he smokes, he drinks. You can show that. I don't do, but you can show that you smoke, and you can attract those kind of people. Then the investment. I'm repeating again. If these things are clear in their mind, the reason I say here, 4 to 5 figure, like mine offer is 4 figure too. So there is no complication. People who raise hand, they will be more clear. Okay, like this is gonna be 4 figure, and we are making clear, and you will automatically distract. You automatically ascend people who are not gonna be your clients. And that make the work easier. A lot of people say, say different things, just attract people, attract. We wanna keep the people away to waste our money, waste our time, right? Then how to make them clear? You're gonna mention it here. You're gonna show them the strategy here. You're gonna show them the strategy here. You're gonna show them yourself here. Now, people who are liking this thing, people who liking this combo, what they're gonna do? They're gonna join our Facebook group because they wanna be near around. They wanna be around us, and these people will hand raise, and this will lead to the chat. It's a really simple model, guys, but make sure you have a really strong offer, does the heavy lifting, because end of the day, if you have a really strong profile, really strong things going on, you have a really strong offer, it's close. And this, if that you're clear on the question, you are talking to right people, they're gonna buy. It's a really simple game, but people make it more complicated than that. Is your call, you want to make complicated, or you want to make it so much easier than that? And you're not talking to people, who are just cool people, just there. We're talking to people who are hand raising, engaging on our content. And who gonna engage on our content? They have the problem. They can be a potential client. Hope this brings you a lot of clarity. I wanna give this a note, like right now, for a month of May, just 2 more spots left for one-on-one mentorship. If you want to apply, go ahead and just talk to me. Just send me a message on Facebook and we can chat. Just send me a message, one-on-one mentorship, and we can chat. If you would like this, if you are done with, if you like no calls, okay, I like that. If you're ready to make $20,000 a month, I like that. If you are okay, Paras a good guy, I would highly recommend, please put one-on-one mentorship in my Facebook messages. You're good to go. Hope this brings you a lot of clarity. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you like this video, please like, please share. If somebody can get value from this, if somebody in this recession going on these days can come value from this, they can build the business. And please share this. Would highly appreciate. And thank you. So if you are watching my videos again and again, thank you so much for being a valuable community member. And we'll keep on making these videos. I love what I do, and because of you guys, I have this life, and I can't say thanks enough. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Happy 2023, and talk soon. Bye bye.